Hello everyone, this is Mugilan from K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. So in this video, we are going to discuss about wearable biomedical devices and their applications. So the wearable biomedical devices and their applications are mainly for healthcare monitoring and different diagnosis for diseases and the treatment for the diseases. So in the introduction, so uh, different wearable biomedical devices is used to continuously monitor the psychological parameters of the patients, and the widely used for healthcare monitoring, fitness, and for medical diagnosis. So to enable the real-time and uh, remote health monitoring of patients. So, what are wearable biomedical devices? So, they were the electronic device worn on the human body, like smart watches or any other wearable devices, uh, so-called these electronic devices. So, the measurable biological and psychological signals using sensors and provide continuous health-related data to uh, the centralized or cloud-based uh, user providers. The key characteristics of the biomedical devices, so non-invasive, and it has to be uh, portable, and to monitor continuous and real-time data and the data acquisition, and it has to be connected wirelessly, and it has to user friendly and comfortable for the users. So different types of wearable biomedical devices such as smartwatches and fitness bands. So nowadays there are a lot of smartwatches and fitness bands are available. Even nowadays having uh, wearable ring and the wearable glasses are available. So the wearable ECG and EEG devices can also available, and the smart patches and biosensors. So and the implanted assisted wearable system, sometimes it can be implanted with in the skin or in any place of the human body. So different sensors to be used in the wearable devices: heart rate, ECG sensors, EEG and EMG sensors, temperature, SpO2 sensors, and to measure the blood pressure and the glucose sensors. These are some of biomedical sensor used in the health monitoring wearable devices. So the system architecture um, for biomedical related applications. So the first part is sensor, which is used for data acquisition and the processing of signals, the signal conditioning and the processing, and the processed data to be transmitted via wirelessly. It can be Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or any other medium of transmission to application or for cloud, and the mobile cloud-based analytics. These are the system architecture requirement for health care and healthcare wearable devices. So particular applications for um, wearable devices in the healthcare: continuous patient monitoring, and uh, it can easily detect the different types of diseases, remote healthcare and telemedicine kind of applications. So in the we can diagnose uh, the different diseases by means of data acquisition from the patient's body by means of the sensors, and the post-operative patient care also possible in healthcare. So particularly in cardiology, the heart rate and rhythm monitoring can be done. So media product detection also done, and blood pressure tracking also uh, monitored, and the early warning and alert system can be done in cardiology related healthcare application, and for neurology, so the EEG based brain activity can be monitored, and the epileptic seizure reduction can also be done, and the sleep disorder can also analyzed. So the neuro rehabilitation support can be done uh, using the wireless uh, health monitoring system. So the application particularly in diabetes management, so the glucose of the patient is continuously monitored, and the insulin can be pumped integration with the diabetes management system, and the real-time alerts and the feedback system can be done using data acquisition using sensor, and the the improved uh, glycemic control can also be done. So particularly in fitness and rehabilitation, so the activity and posture monitoring can be done. The gait analysis also can be done. So the physiotherapy and rehabilitation support and the performance tracking, these kind of uh, analysis, support and tracking can be possible in uh, wearable devices, particularly for fitness and rehabilitation. The role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in particular wearable devices uh, for healthcare systems. So the pattern recognition in medical diagnosis, and the biomedical signals acquisition by means of wearable sensors. So the prediction and the anomaly detection can also be done. The personalized healthcare insights and the intelligent decision support system by means of AI and machine learning can be done in wearable devices. So the advantages are continuous health monitoring, early diagnosis and prevention by the patients using the acquisition data of sensors. The reduced hospital visits can is the main benefit of the patients, and the improved patient engagement. So these are some of the advantages of wearable devices in healthcare systems. So the challenges are data accuracy, reliability, limited battery life, privacy, security, and regulatory and ethical issues. Challenges when considering designing wearable devices, particularly in the healthcare systems, and future trends may be the flexible and implantable sensors. The emerging area is implantable sensors and the flexible sensors, and the EV driven AI and machine learning can be incorporated in the healthcare wearable devices. The integration with the AIT and smart hospitals can also be possible in the near future, and the personalized medicine for different uh, patients can be done. And in the conclusion, the wearable medical devices are transforming the healthcare. The modern era, the healthcare is dependent on the wearable devices, and the preventive, remote, and personalized treatment can be done based on the data collected from the different patients. The strong potential for future healthcare systems is possible. So up to this, we have discussed about the wearable devices in healthcare applications. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.